Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So to start with, go to the cut page when you open a new project. This should be the first thing that you see. And you're going to go ahead and drag and drop your videos, such as here, into the media pool that you see on the left-hand side of your screen. So if you see this pop up that says changing the project frame rate, you can go ahead and click on change. That way, the settings for the project match the settings of your source videos. So now that that's done, we can now drag and drop our clips into our timeline. And this cut page is really useful for making quick trims to your videos. So let's say, for example, you want to cut out the beginning. You can simply drag the trim bar that you see when you mouse over the edge, and that's going to cut it out for you, as you can see. So really, really useful. And you can also do the same for the other end. If you want to cut something out from the end, just go ahead and drag the trim bar. And as you can see, the timeline is automatically adjusted. So it's also really useful. Let's say, for example, if you have two clips, you can cut in between them and choose exactly where to start and where to end. So really great feature. You can also cut videos here in the edit window. You're just going to have to zoom into your timeline a little bit. And this is probably what people are more familiar with because of other programs like Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can do that same thing here. Simply drag the edges like before, and you should be able to cut them out. You can also cut specific portions of your videos out by using the blade tool right here. And as you can see, the keyboard shortcut is letter B. So go ahead and press B. That should bring up the blade tool, and you can go over the video and cut out a certain section. Let's say you're working on an interview or a podcast and you want to remove some of the silence or bloopers. Just go ahead and cut that out with the blade tool, then hit delete on your keyboard. As you can see, it automatically adjusts the timeline to make up for the empty space. So really, really easy and really, really quick to do. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.